Looking for a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the crash of sugar? You're in the right place. In our modern world, sugar seems to be lurking in every corner, hiding in our favorite treats, ready to pounce with an energy crash that leaves us drained and wanting more. But what if I told you there's a way to enjoy your dessert and feel energized too? It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? A fantasy perhaps? But here's the twist. This isn't a dream or a fantasy. It's a delicious, sugar-free reality. Today we're on a quest. A sugar-free quest. We're stepping outside the box, breaking free from the traditional cookie mold. We're about to whip up a batch of cookies that are not just mouth-wateringly delicious but also brimming with natural energy boosters. Today, we're breaking all the rules with a recipe that's not only delicious, but also packs a punch of energy without a gram of sugar. We'll use almond flour for a low-carb base, sweetened with natural dates, and add chia seeds for that extra energy kick. And the best part? It's all natural. Let's dive into these ingredients, shall we? First up, we've got almond flour. This isn't just any flour. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it an excellent low-carb alternative to regular flour. Plus, it adds a subtle, nutty flavor that perfectly complements the sweetness of our next ingredient, dates. Dates, nature's candy. These sweet, chewy fruits are not only delicious, but they are also filled with fiber, essential minerals, and a host of health benefits. They provide natural sweetness, meaning we don't need to add any processed sugars or artificial sweeteners. And then we have chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, these seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and a good amount of protein. Plus, they offer a sustainable energy boost, making our cookies not just a treat but a perfect pick-me-up snack. Now let's get down to business. We start by blending the almond flour and dates together. Watch as the coarse flour and chunky dates transform into a smooth dough, all thanks to the magic of mixing. Soon it starts to look less like a random assortment of ingredients and more like the beginnings of a delicious cookie. Next, we fold in the chia seeds. They might seem like a small addition, but trust me, they make a world of difference. As they mix into the dough, they begin to absorb moisture, thickening the mixture and adding a unique texture that'll give our cookies a delightful crunch. And just like that, we've transformed simple, healthy ingredients into a cookie dough that's ready to be shaped and baked. Notice how we didn't use any artificial sweeteners or processed ingredients? Just pure, wholesome goodness. Follow along as we mix, shape, and bake our way to deliciousness. Notice how we don't use any artificial sweeteners. Just pure, wholesome goodness. As these beauties bake, let's talk about why cutting out sugar doesn't mean cutting out flavor or fun from your diet. You see, the magic of baking isn't in the sugar. It's in the transformation that happens in the oven. When you mix healthful ingredients with a dash of creativity, you get a dessert that's not just guilt-free, but also energy-boosting. And the aroma of baking cookies? That's a bonus. Now let's talk about the benefits of a sugar-free diet. When you ditch the sugar, you're saying goodbye to energy crashes and hello to steady vitality throughout the day. You're also reducing the risk of many health issues associated with a high sugar intake. But the best part, you're not compromising on taste or satisfaction. Can you believe these are sugar-free? Not only are they delicious, but they also keep your energy levels steady, making them perfect for a midday snack. If you love discovering how easy and tasty healthy eating can be, imagine what else you can learn by subscribing to our channel. This is a journey, and we're on it together. Each video we share is another step towards healthier habits, delightful flavors, and a happier you. And it's not just about what you can learn from us, it's about what we can learn from each other. We're building a community here, a space where health enthusiasts can share their secrets, exchange ideas, and inspire each other. So why not be a part of it? Hit that subscribe button and join us on this wonderful journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Let these cookies jump into your feed by subscribing. And if you're as excited about these cookies as I am, drop a comment below. What's your favorite healthy treat? Let's share and inspire each other.